Hi! In front of me is CUBOT Tablet Tab 10, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on System. From here, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyword and Gbert. Finally, choose Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!